Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to some very special guests. We got Katie, we got Kaylee here from the Myers family, and we're down here on Blackpool Beach because we've arranged to do a bit of a beach clean down here on Central Promenade. And well, we want to take you along with us on our little journey. We are hopeful, but not hopeful, to get rubbish. So we're gonna see what we can do. Kate is also vlogging, so make sure you go and check out her vlog as well, so you get two different perspectives, but we will show you towards the end of the vlog how many bags that we got. But do let us know down in the comments below, do you think we got 1, 3, 10 or none? Let us know, but let's go and clean up Blackpool Beach. Look at this, the donkeys are out on the beach. Kate was just looking for Charlie. Not our Charlie, but one of these donkeys is called Charlie.
He's my favourite.
Oh, come on, yeah, he's everybody's favourite. It's gotta be. But talking of donkeys, I cannot wait to see the disco cavalcade out on the prom, the new Blackpool Illumination that's coming. That's gonna be down on the Tower Festival headlands as well. And that's gonna be coming out very, very soon, because don't forget, August 30th, Illumination switch on. And you can go and check out the Disco Dongle cavalcade in our vlog that we did a few weeks ago from the Illuminations department. So make sure you go and check that out. We'll link that down in the description box below. But check this out today. This is Blackpool Central Beach, right next door to Central Pier. Absolutely fantastic to see so many people out enjoying the beach. And I tell you what, right now it's looking pretty clean, which is fantastic. I can see a few cans on the steps up there, so we'll have to see if we catch anything else like that. But we're going to fill everything in our bags, and like I said, we'll show you how much we get. Oh, what are you doing? So the little dude is here chilling out on the beach. But yeah, I mean, it does look pretty tidy at the minute. Kaylee was just saying when they did a beach clean a few weeks ago at night, there was loads more rubbish. So I'm kind of thinking it's the whole thing in it. After a long day on the beach, people are just leaving the rubbish. But if we just zoom over your shoulder, as you can see right there at the top of the steps, there are two whopping great big bins, and there are bins down the promenade for you to use. So I don't want to sound like your dad, but take your rubbish home with you when you come to Blackpool. Don't leave the beach in a mess.
What Andy's saying.
Right, so I've just come off the beach and I found Graham and Aria. And look what they've got in the hands. They've got their own little pickers and they've got a bag here. And I was just saying to him, have you come down to do it yourself, or you coming to join us? And you were just explaining what you do. So can you just tell us about why you do what you do in terms of the litter picking?
Yeah, so we were off this week, but we regularly do our streets. The street where we live, we like to go and litter pick, don't we? We litter pick on the park. I think there's probably not enough money spent on it, so it's nice to just pick it up and obviously help the community.
So I've just nipped off the beach quickly, and these are the bins that are up and down the prom. Katie was just telling me that there are over 200 of these bins all the way up and down the prom. So you've obviously got your big massive bins as well, but then there's also ones for plastics. And again, we were just saying about the amount of plastic. 9.5 million tons of plastic waste ends up in our ocean every single year, just from people not taking the rubbish away. So do us a favour, put it in a bin and get rid of it. Make sure it does not end up in the sea. Right, we haven't even started, but this is the first bit I have picked up. And it's little things like this that end up in the sea over there. And look at it, I mean, a turtle gets that caught around its neck. Dolphins, which we have off the coast, get it. It's just gonna cause havoc, isn't it? So these things come with your buckets and spade, don't they?
Yeah, and plastic bags. The turtles and things think that they're jellyfish.
Yeah.
So they'll ingest them.
Yeah, just,
So just
to the left of there, there's a ramp.
Right, so Charlie and Christine have just been down at the seafront, and look at that, you've brought back already some rubbish. See, again, it's that netting that we've just shown you right there that needs to go in the bin. So again, just pick it up, take it home, and let's keep these beaches clean. We've got our hoops, we've got our pickers, we've got our teams assembled. I'm quite pleasantly surprised how many people have turned up. I mean, how many have we got here so far? But there's what?
Quite a few, yeah, we're still
About-
waiting for another group.
How many would you say? There's about 20 odd people here, and then like Keisha said, we've got a few more people ready to arrive. But yes, we're all ready to rock and roll. Hopefully, this is not going to be full. I am praying it's not going to be full, but let's go and see what we get. Right, it's go time, Charlie. So we're going to do between here, central to north. See you in a bit. Everybody else is spread out across the beach. Charlie's got the litter picker there. I've got the bag. Let's see what we can do. So like straight away, we've literally took 2 steps. It's that plastic stuff, the plastic netting. There's some more there, Charlie. Some right there. Yeah, look, some more plastic there, Charlie. You get that? And right behind you as well, a crisp packet here. See, look, it's these little crisp packets and the little bits that don't get picked up that all go into the sea. So we're just getting level now with the tower. This is how far we've come. We just started off just down there where the lifeboat station is. And we found a few interesting things already. We've got a couple of vape sticks in here, empty cans, a balloon, and then that is a piece of plastic tubing. Not entirely sure what that's off, but apart from that, I am pleasantly surprised. I actually thought we would be getting a lot more rubbish, but I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. So we hope you're enjoying this vlog and also the very important message behind it. But whilst you're here, make sure you do go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the 3MKs so you don't miss a moment of any more adventures we have. So you're never going to believe what I've just put in there. I have just put a wet towel that somebody's discarded on the beach. But also look over here, Charlie. This is one of the main problems, plastic. This is a plastic straw. And if a turtle gets hold of that, Charlie, game over. Right, bob it in the bag. So we are just under North Pier right now doing our picking, but look at this. Look at the size of this jellyfish we came across. That is huge. Yeah, that is amazing. Look at the size of that. It's well and truly dead. Right, so look at that. We've got 3 bin bags full of rubbish. Teams of 2 or 3 were out. We had Katie and her family. We had I was going to say Gary, but he's called Graham. We had Graham and Ari out. Me and Charlie were out. We had some of the other group over there. There was about 20 to 30 odd people here, which is absolutely fantastic. And we've got these 3 big bags full of rubbish. Everything from vape sticks, pieces of rubbish, that netting that we found at the beginning, cans, absolutely everything. There are over 200 bins on the prom. So do you know what? If you're finished on the beach, bag it and then bin it all the way up there. But we want to say a massive thank you to everybody who came down and helped us do this morning. It's been absolutely fantastic to do it. And Charlie wants to do it again. So I think this is going to become a regular thing. So keep an eye out on our socials, keep an eye out on the Myers family socials, because we will be doing this again. Make sure you go ahead and check out their vlog as well. We'll link that down in the description box below. And if you're not subscribed to the Myers, go subscribe. And if you're not subscribed to us, please make sure you do. Make sure you check out all our socials. But for now, thank you very much for joining us. Be kind to each other, stay safe, and we'll see you all real soon. Bye!
Bye.